Welcome to the Rebuild Blueprint. If you're 45 plus and starting over after corporate, this one mindset trap can cost you months, maybe even your business. It almost cost me mine. I spent 3 months doing all the right things, but it turned out I was just spinning my wheels. Here's what I wish someone had told me before I wasted all that time. Let me set the scene. It's early in my journey after leaving corporate. I decided property investment was my new path, so I threw myself into networking, event after event, week after week. I'd show up, armed with pitch decks and polished presentations, talking to anyone who'd listen about potential property deals. On the surface, it looked like I was making moves, but after a while, I realized something was off. Here's the trap. I thought all this networking and presenting was progress, but in reality, I was stuck in preparation mode, waiting for the perfect deal, the perfect pitch, the perfect moment to actually make something happen. I'd spend hours crafting the ideal presentation, researching every angle, rehearsing my pitch. But you know what I wasn't doing? Closing real deals, making offers, taking tangible steps forward. I was talking a lot about my business, but I wasn't truly building it. After months of this, the truth hit me hard. My savings were shrinking, my confidence was fading, and despite all those meetings, I had nothing concrete to show for it. One morning, staring at yet another networking invite in my inbox, I realized I was hiding behind busy work. Networking felt productive, but it was safe. I was more afraid of failing than I was excited about succeeding. Then, at one of those meetings, someone called me out. You've got great presentations, but what deals have you actually done? That question stung. My answer? None. Months of talking, not a single closed deal. That was my wake-up call. That week, I stopped perfecting presentations and started taking real action. I made an offer on a property. It wasn't perfect, but it was real. And that one step taught me more than all the networking combined. Here's what changed everything for me. Consistency and visibility matter, but you have to actually do the business. Be seen, keep talking about your business, but never let that replace real action. If you're stuck in endless networking or prepping, take this as your sign. Be consistent, keep talking about your business, keep putting yourself out there, but make sure you're taking real steps too. Make an offer, start a deal, take that next bold action. The market rewards those who show up and follow through. Your first deal won't be perfect, but it will move you forward. Drop a comment. Are you caught in the presentation trap right now? What's one real action you can take today? And if this resonated with you, hit subscribe and ring the bell. Let's rebuild with accountability, one real step at a time. See you in the next episode.